Hi, I'm Nicole. I work at Circle BMW in Eatontown, New Jersey. Today we are driving a new 2019 440i Coupe with the M Sport package. Today I'm going to be talking about the Auto Start and Stop feature. What this does is it stops your engine when you're at a standstill. It helps you save gas. The button is located right here above your Start and Stop Engine button. Now if I want to turn this feature back on, all you have to do is press the button again and the LED will no longer be illuminated. Some people like this feature because, like I said, it saves on fuel. Now another thing to keep in mind is that if you're in Eco Pro mode in your BMW, this feature will always be on, which makes sense. Another thing that you want to remember is that if you have an older vehicle, 2014 and before that, this feature will keep pressing it on and off every time you're in the car. But newer models, it memorizes your option. So if you don't like it on, eventually your vehicle will remember that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave any comments below or call us at 732-440-1200. Thanks again.